do another Contenders. We'll do the random number 4. See, how can I do this? All right, we got our list there. This is for Contenders random number 4. We'll randomize 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll get this printed real quick. It's got to be annoying. E didn't. I know, I hate that when you don't get the notification in time. My team's doing a little bit better so far. I got 130 as of right now. But yeah, if you guys want to do that football one, we can. I did not mean to do a $5 league, though, with just the 3 of us. But we can try it if you guys want. You guys tell me. Okay, here we go. Contenders random number 2. I agree, Eric. That's why I did not mean to do a $5 one. Forgot to pay attention to all the entry fees and what sport I was doing. I didn't even mean to do football. I meant to do NBA. Looked at it as soon as I finished. I go, oh, man. Good luck, everyone. Poteet and Kramer, Collegiate Connections. Kingery, Reunion. Dansby Swanson, Game Day. What's screwed up again is I can't even get back to that contest. It disappeared on me again. So I almost can't do it. Bickford, game day. Corey Ray, Contenders auto. Another collegiate national team. Have to look that one up. Margot, passports. Jackson and Thomas, collegiate connections. Whose problem? Nick Plummer, auto. Going to the Cardinals, Nathan, PAP. Albies, passports. I have, Eric. It's not there. It's like it doesn't exist. Since I didn't reserve an entry in it and I exited out of it, it's gone. Fulmer and Bueller, collegiate connections. You know you love the Cardinals. Kirby, reunion. Got a Dylan Tate, 91 of 99 auto. It's another one I do not know. Have to look that one up. Eshelman, reunion. Bueller. Got a Donnie DeWeese auto. Another one I do not know. Fulmer, game day. Which one was number 6 overall? Irwin, colors. Who's Rangers? Hap, game day. You confusing me. Encarnacion, passports. Dylan Tate's the Rangers, number 4 overall. That one I'm gathering. Ree and Bishop, connections. I'm confused. Alcantara, passports. Screwing me up, Eric. Oh, gotcha. Nice. Nice, Eric. Desmond Lindsay. Nice auto. Oh, New York. I'm going to guess that's the Yankees. That is Stephanie, EDG. Clevenger, reunion. Trust me, Nathan. You're not alone. Tate is Rangers. Okay, hold on. We got Bickford and Eshelman. Connections. So, the Tate. Dylan Tate. 91 of 99 is the Rangers. That is Steven. QUI. Another Tate game day. So many base cards. Another printing plate. Somebody for Cincinnati. Ian Happ. Draft ticket 1 of 1. Here we go. On a roll with this stuff. I don't know who that is. I'll have to look that one up. Degano reunion. Desmond Lindsay. Yes, Desmond Lindsay. Tyler J. Game day. So the Donnie DeWeese is the Cubs. That is Nathan, P-A-P. Mateo, passports. Brent Honeywell. For the Rays, Reggie, G-I-E. Lopez, passports. Desmond is Mets, huh? All right. So my bad, Steph. That Desmond Lindsay is the Mets, not the Yankees. I was incorrect. Suarez and Thompson connections. Ian Happ is the Cubs. So Nathan, P-A-P, grabbing the 1-of-1 printing plate. Go Nate. Eric trying to speed this process up a little bit. Thank you, Eric. Harris, reunion, and a couple base. All right, Corey Ray.
Gets in the paint with. I mean, he's so mastered that. I think any young guard watching out there wants to understand how important it is to be able to make that shot, because you can't get it all the way to the rim with the bigs. You got to be able to shoot that little floater on the move. And Tony Parker is the master of that. Kids want to work on that? Try Junior NBA, presented by Under Armour. The youth basketball participation program, boys and girls, ages 6 through 14, teaching the fundamentals and values of the game.
Yeah, that's not the same Corey Ray.
We talked about how San Antonio does not like to foul. The ball is over one from the free throw line. Greg Popovich immediately takes a timeout on the defensive end. This thing was about to get to 11 or 12 with the made free throws, but the guards are getting 10 for Portland. Young guy's got a sweet shooting touch. I saw him do this to my Duke Blue Devils when he was at Lehigh. He'd fill it up.
There comes a time.
All right. Corey Ray, we will have to randomize.
Everybody does. So that's when somebody tries to use my name, my likeness. Yes, sir. Like if they try to look like me or with a fake mustache.
What idiots. Sometimes I tell ya. So Corey Ray, we are randomizing.
It's one of the best ways to start planning for retirement. At Voya, we can help you organize your savings and investments. So when the time comes, you'll have that orange money.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to Nathan. PAP. He looks like he's going to be a pretty good prospect, too. So there you go, Nathan. Got the Corey Ray auto. That is going to do it for Contenders random number 2. The 30-point buck. Was what? Oh. Excuse me. Was what sarcasm, Nate? Did you crack me up? No, you do. Things you come up with make me laugh.
Yeah, and I talked to both of them before the game, and obviously Lillard was back, but he was shocked when he left because Lillard said he was excited about the challenge of being the #1 guy, and CJ McCollum was just overjoyed because he was finally going to get a chance to play.
All right, I gotta switch it up for a minute.
Did you do anything differently in the offseason to come back like you did? He said, no, I just have the green.
No, I wasn't. He looks like he's supposed to be pretty good.